Hi everyone! Just the volume. Hi everyone, welcome back to the stream. Hope you're doing well. We're back working on fallacy quiz again. I had big improvement lately with the Steam, with supporting on Steam. Hey, hi. And yeah, so we're back and we're going to improve. So yeah, the next step now is just a last round of polish and bug fixing, and then I'll be ready to submit my game to Steam. So we're really close now. The Steam related stuff took more time than I expected, but we're getting there. Here's the game as it is now. I added some settings. Hi Masto, mod full chillax on. Yeah, I added some settings for the graphism. Maybe I should that in English. Yeah, added some settings for the graphics to be able to change the frame rate, the anti-aliasing, and the quality, so that if you're on a really bad computer, maybe you can try to select those options to make it run better on your computer. But if you want to, you could also choose to run it at the maximum settings. There's not a lot of difference, but there's a lot of performance difference. Yeah, so the first thing I want to do is when you go into the glossary, did you hear that? It was a Steam achievement, because we have, maybe I can show you all the achievements. Let me do that. Steam. Oh, it's having a hard time. What's going on? There you go. Okay. Library. Fallacy quiz. See, I just got the achievement. Open the glossary here. You can check all the achievements. 1 out of 17 achievements. Here we'll be able to see how many players actually got each achievement. That's going to be cool. Yeah. We have. I added 17 achievements with little icons and all. But for testing purposes, I just reset all the achievements each time you start a game. So that's why I only have one achievement. We just unlocked it right now. We can get a second one by checking the stats page. So here's the stats page. You should get an achievement for looking at it. Oh, okay. The issue is I cannot get the achievement because my save file already got the achievement. So I don't know if it's a bug, because you're not supposed to use a save file. Like, you're supposed to get the achievement if your save file is at that stage. What I want to do is to be able to reset all the data. Looking good? Oh, thank you, Masto. Thank you very much. Yeah, you never seen the book? Glad you like it. So I'm going to add, I need to add a setting to reset all data. I also want you to be able to reset achievements. So in the settings, maybe we could add a danger button, like advanced options or something like that. I don't want people to click on this without really wanting it. But yeah, we need a way to delete all save data. I also need a button to just quit the game, so maybe we could do that. Quit game somewhere. Not in the settings. Maybe on the top left or top right. A button to quit the game. Where should I put it? Um, let's try on the top right, I guess. So I'm creating a quit button. Hey Slacks, what's up? Oh, I need to check the YouTube. I want to see how it look. Okay, wait. I always forgot to check the YouTube. Hi, Abo Elm Damid. Can you test the multiplayer? I want to see how it works. Okay, yeah, let's try the multiplayer. Tell me you're still here, and I'll test the multiplayer, because I always miss the YouTube comments, and then people just go away. I'm so sorry. I'll try to check it more often. Yeah, it was 5 minutes ago. I hope you're still here. If you're still here, I'll test it. Yeah, so this is supposed to be the quit button. Okay, and we're going to put it at the top. I think I understand the concept of the game by the preview I watched some time ago. Where are in-game the question coming from? You wrote them yourself by hand? Is there a limited amount? Yes, I wrote them myself, and there is a limited amount, but right now there are 85 questions right now, but I plan on shipping the game with something like 200 questions. It's limited, but we did some play testing, and I don't think if there are 200 questions in game, I don't think people will like the games are 15 questions long, and you don't get repeating questions. If you have to go through all the questions to get copies, like duplicates. So you have to, if I ship the game with 200 questions, you have to play like 15 games or something. And yeah, 15 games, and at that stage you are starting to get duplicates, but you might have got some of them wrong in the first place, so you might want to be able to get them right the second time around. So I think you could play like 20 games without even noticing that much, and 20 games is already pretty long. Is there an achievement for completing every question? Yes. Yes, there's an achievement for that. Let me show it to you. You've seen it all. Answer each statement in the game at least once. But then you can complete them in easy mode, but then you have to complete them also in hard mode. So it's a bit of a different experience. How do I get them up? Huh? Like this? Yes, okay. So I have a quit button on the top right. I think it kind of works. I think it's where you have the cross to exit Windows on Windows, right? Maybe or maybe not. I'm not sure. Yeah, because I added full screen mode by default for the Steam game, and I don't know how to quit the game if I don't have a button to quit in full screen, so I have to add it. Now that we have it, we have to check it's in the right group. Yes, we have to add the signal. Let's disconnect this. Okay, on quit button pressed. I don't even know how to quit the game in Godot. Quit. Is it just quit? Quit. Quits the application at the end of the current iteration. Cool. So yeah, that might be it. Okay, so get tree quit. Get tree quit. Let's try it. Quit game. Let's see if it's translating. Quitter le jeu. Yeah, cool. Cool. And it works. Nice. Already a task done. Let me commit this. Quit button on title screen. Boom. Next. Next I need, yeah, as I said, we need to be able to delete all data from the save, all the save, and it's pretty tricky to do because I don't want people to click that by mistake, you know. So let's open the settings window. So it's looking like this. We have audio, language, graphics, full screen. We need a button somewhere in there to be able to delete all the save. The thing is, imagine you're just trying to change the volume during a game. You don't want to misclick and delete all your save. So there's multiple ways of doing this. We could have a second menu like advanced settings to be able to do that kind of stuff. We could have another settings menu on the title screen. I don't like the title screen being crowded. Let's try a button to just open a new window, you know. So for instance here, I'm going to duplicate this and add a button, just a little button. It's not going to be the back button, it's going to be advanced settings. Okay, advanced settings button. Advanced settings. I need to change the local translation file for this. And now we open a new window. How did I do that? I have a way of opening windows like that. Like I have a dedicated stuff. It's been a while. I think it's... Let's see. Title screen. I have this in my title screen. Pop-up. Pop-up settings margin container. Okay. Oh, it's not that. It's not that one. Oh, it's that one. Settings sub window panel. It's that one. Okay. I created a node called sub window panel. Sub window panel. Let's go. And this, I think I can just, when I show it, it will fade in and I can put whatever I want in it. The thing is, if I do that, I will have to create a group for all the nodes here to be able to hide them and all. But hey, if that's what I have to do, I'll do it. Or I could just hide everything here and replace it with advanced setting stuff. Which soundtrack is it? This one, I think it's a store. I think it's the 3DS store. Nintendo store. Let me check. They don't give the name, but I'm pretty much sure it's the 3DS Nintendo store. We could check. Let's try 3DS Nintendo eShop music. That's it. Yep. The kind of music that that makes you want to buy stuff. Let's just copy everything. Copy, paste. Okay. Okay. Perfect. This is not going to be settings anymore. This is going to be advanced settings. Okay, and then we can remove pretty much everything in, but just maybe keep yeah, we could remove almost everything here. Oof. What's this? Advanced settings. We don't need audio stuff. Delete. Save. Okay, let's add a new button and remove the signal here. Delete. And then we can add a new label to explain what's going to happen if they do that. Delete description label. This will delete. Let's just call it delete description for the time being, because we will need to translate everything. Animal Crossing this time, yeah. We need to change the size, font size. Okay, for the description. And then we might need, I think I'm just going to change the color of this one by changing the modulation. Just to make it scary, you know. Might not be the best. And I think I have a way to change the hue of a button. Let me check. I made this here. I have shader. We can just copy that shader here. Copy. Now it's Splatoon. Oh, the OST for Splatoon side order was so cool. Let me put that click on. Splatoon side order. What? Cool. Now we can paste the shader here. Cool. But we need to change the tint. Right now it's blue tint. I need to, yeah, I might have to make this unique. So that I can change the color here. Oh yeah, it's the U, right? HSV, so that's the U. Oh, so I can just change the U here? Okay. I should have used some sort of variable for that. Maybe we want this to be like black. Right? The saturation should be 0. The value should be like wait. Supposed to be the delete button. It's dangerous, so I'm already using red everywhere, so I cannot really use red here. Let's try this. Damn, that's a complicated way to change a button color. Yeah, but it's easier to change the button color that way, because if I want to change the color, I also have to change the style for when it's clicked, when it's hovered, when it's... So it's a lot of things to change. Here I just changed the U, like it's not a big deal. Let's try this color. I think it's you feel like it's dangerous. Now we need to actually make the button work. So boom, boom. Advanced settings. Pressed. Connect. On advanced settings button pressed. Now we show this sub window panel here. But we also want to hide the center container. Yeah. Let's try. The issue with that, with hiding this, you're going to see it's going to be sudden. There will be no animation for this, and that's pretty bad. Oh, and there's a margin container here. That's going to be bad too. Let's try that. We might have to make something easier. Settings, advanced settings. The issue is with the controller. I think the controller will try to it kind of works. Okay, I need to change the back button here. And I need to remove the margin, but it's pretty cool. I like the way it looks. Let's remove the back button here. Look. On back button press. Yeah, let's call that advanced settings back button, because we're going to mix them. Mm. We're going to create a state. Advanced settings on, which is going to be false by default, okay? And then we are going to create a set get function. So the set function here will be able to check the value. If the value is different than the advanced settings on value, then we're going to make it true. Like we're going to change it, and then based on the result we're going to change that. So if value, if advanced settings on, else that way we can just change the value of advanced settings on and it's going to update automatically. Maybe it's hard to see the code, so I'm going to zoom a bit. That way, oh, that's cool. So if we have the close settings function here, if advanced settings is on, we first close the advanced settings, and then we close the settings. That's cool. Okay, that's cool, that's cool. Advanced settings button. Perfect. Let's try it. Settings, advanced settings, back. Yeah, I don't like the margin. At all. What do we do? Also, the close settings should be on top. Let me change that. Let me change that real quick. Cool. Cool. I think we need a, are you sure? When you click delete, we need something to show like, are you sure? Like we need one more window like this. Let's get rid of the margins. Oh, I'm going to do something really bad. Let's go, let's do it. I'm going to make the worst. Okay, my idea is we keep, because I already created a margin container to have a border. My idea is we use negative margins, the same amount, and we put that inside. That's perfect. That's perfectly bad. I like it. No. Okay. Okay, let's try it. Settings, let's remove the audio. Advanced settings, it works. It works really, really well. That's really cool. The vibe, like, hey, that's dangerous. What you're doing is dangerous. And I think the fading in and out, like this is, you see that it's disappearing. But I think if we make that disappear after this appeared, it could feel better. Let's try that. Let's try this. Do we know when this appears? Do you have a signal or something? We have an animation player. We could check if the animation is playing. Yeah, let's try to check for when the animation stops. So where is it? You know what, to be sure. Play. Yeah, the animation is supposed to send us a signal. Let's try to get that signal. I don't have a ready function? I don't have a ready function. Okay, let's create a one. So it's going to be sub window panel, animation player, connect. No, it's the signal. I think it's play. Stops. Not sure what signals. Animation changed. Animation finished. Yeah, cool. We're going to connect this. Animation finished. Or we could, okay, that's pretty bad, but let's do it. We're going to wait for the signal. And then hide. Let's try it. Oh, they didn't like that. That works. That works. So cool. Does it work with the controller? Yes. Oh, that's pretty cool. Okay, so that's a good start. Next, we need to, when we click on delete, we need are you sure? Either are you sure? So let's do this. I think the button could change its text. Yeah, that's a good one. It's easier and works. So the button will change its color. The delete button. Why is it called back button? The delete button. Delete save button. Okay, so we're going to have a state variable. Delete save state. And by default it's 0. Oh, it's not a function, it's a variable. What am I doing? Variable. Oh, I like this one. Do you like the OST? The Splatoon 3 side order OST? Save lines. So we're going to have lines. The first one is going to be delete. What did I do? What did I say? Just delete? Hey, Makatab, what's up? Delete. Then, are you sure? Then, are you really sure? There's no going back. I'm creating a button to delete all the save file, like everything. So I'm creating an annoying button that forces you to click it like 5 times. Are you sure? Are you really sure there's no going back? Yes. I want to delete the save file. I guess you need... Oh, we'll just make them type delete. No, I don't like that kind of stuff. Honestly, I hate it when I have to type words. For Steam, you have to type Steamworks every time you publish something. I just copy paste the thing. Okay, so we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 lines. No, 5. Yeah, okay, 4 if you count from 0, okay. So on delete save button, delete save state plus equals 1. And we change the button. Let me add the access as unique name. Delete. No, that's not that. That's not this one. Delete save button. Text equals delete save lines, delete save state. Okay. Only if it exists. So if delete save state is smaller than the size of the array, and if it's not inferior, then we just delete the save file. I don't have a function for that yet. Delete save file. I think that will be in the data script, not here. So we're just going to pass for the time being. I don't have this function yet. Let's try this. Let's try it. I like it. Okay, let's translate all those new stuff. Let's translate all of that. We need to translate everything. Where's my translate file? Source locals. .csv. Okay. There we go. So, the new keys are all of those keys, so that's pretty simple to copy the file. Okay, are you sure? Êtes-vous sûr? Êtes-vous vraiment sûr? Are you really sure? Êtes-vous vraiment sûr? there's no going back. How would you say that in French? I'm not even sure. This original soundtrack is so cool. Il n'y a pas de retour en arrière. Cette action est irréversible. That's the way you say it. But I don't know how to write irréversible. Okay, that's the way. Yeah, the game is available in French and in English. So that's going to be cool. Yes, I want to delete the save file. Oui, je veux supprimer le fichier de sauvegarde. Okay, let's try it. I have other stuff to change. So this is how dialogue is done correctly. My tutorial text is just a dictionary of strings. It's not dialogue. It's just to be able to translate. Oh yeah, you mean, yeah, you need to have a key. Like for instance, here my key is "Are you sure?" Then I have my key here, "Are you sure?" And then I have the translations for it. I support English and French right now. This is a file I keep between games because I already translated a lot of. If you see here let me zoom a bit. Here I have the little bars like this, and everything that's below that is from my previous games, and I keep them because, yeah, I might have, like, there are all the buttons, for instance. If I need the buttons, I spent a lot of time to translate all the names of all buttons and stuff like this, so I keep that. And here are all the text from Fallacy Quiz. It's not all the text from Fallacy Quiz, it's the UI text from Fallacy Quiz. All the questions and stuff like that are in other files because I try to keep them separated. I don't want like a big, like all my content to be here. It's going to make for too big of a file. I have other keys. Advanced settings. Advanced settings. Advanced settings, and in French it's going to be paramètres avancés. Okay, then we have delete save. delete save, and it's going to be, yeah, of course, delete save in English. French is going to be supprimer la sauvegarde, I guess. And then the description. So this one, see, some keys are exactly the same text, but here it's the description. And now I have to write the description in English. You are going to this is going to delete all your save or all your progress settings, stats and achievements. There are no would you translate that? This action is not reversible. Is reversible something you will say here? Cannot be reversed? I think cannot be reversed is better. Can't be reversed. This is going to delete all your progress, settings, stats, and achievements. This action is can't be reversed. Can't be reversed. And now in French. Cela va supprimer votre progression, toute votre progression. Paramètres. Oh, the scores. All your scores. All your progress scores. Yeah. De progression, score, paramètres, stats et succès. Let's go back to the other playlist. It's more chill. Chiller? More chill or chiller? Use with caution. Let's try it. I think we have all the necessary words. Everything should be there. Settings. Oh. Okay, what's going on? Oh, wait. Okay. First thing, this is way too big. So we're going to limit the possible width of this label. Can we do this? I think we can. We can set a minimum size. Can we set a maximum size? Auto wrap mode. Word. Okay, that's bad. So now we can set a minimum size. Perfect. Maybe even bigger. Cool. So advanced settings, delete save. This is going to delete all your progress, scores, settings, stats, and achievements. This action can't be reversed. Use with caution. Delete. Are you sure? Are you really sure? There's no going back. Yes, I want to delete the save file. And then you click here. And then it deletes the save file. We need to reset this button when we go back. Let's. Oh, we need to reset the button when we exit the button. So yeah, let's add a new. Okay, cool. When the button loses the focus. So focus exited. Delete saves. Update. Yeah. Okay, let's try that. It's not working. It's not working. Why? Why is it not working? Oh, I wasn't using the right one. Okay. Sorry about that. Let's try again. Okay, so if I leave, cool. Yeah, it works. Okay. Maybe let's wait some time. No, I guess not. And now I need to create a function to delete the save file. it's going to delete the save file, but also the achievements. So how do I do this? I guess it will be from the data script. Going to create a new function to like erase everything. Save data. Delete data. Erase the data. Yeah, let's erase everything. We're going to, yeah, we just have to change this JSON stringify an empty dictionary, and this is going to remove everything. That's going to work, but then I will need to reload the game. Oh, I need a signal too. So yeah, I need a signal. Data erased. Yeah, data erased. Data erased. Emit. Okay. Perfect. Now I need to grab that signal from the Steam handler. Yeah. So data erased, connect, handle data erased. Because if we don't have any save anymore, we cannot have any achievements in Steam, because then it will not match our save. So that's why I'm doing this. The Steam script is going to connect to the data being erased signal, and we're going to just remove all the achievements. Okay. Reset all stats. Now we need to quit the game. So to quit the game, what we're going to do, let's go back to our settings here. So when we click the button, we call for the data to be erased. Erase data. Okay. Now we need to wait for the Steam achievement stuff to be handled. We need to restart the game at this stage. We need to restart everything, like all the game. Yeah, we need to restart the game from scratch, or to quit the game. I don't know if you can restart the game like properly. Or reset some script. We might be able to do this. Wait. I don't know how to reset the game. I think I will need to quit the game at that stage. I might have to quit the game. I don't know how to do that. I need to quit the game entirely. Okay, quick question. Will it be strange to have the game close itself if you delete the save and then you have to restart the game manually? Hey, Makatap, are you still there, Makatap? I think it's strange for it to suddenly quit without warning. A pop-up suggesting to quit makes more sense. Yeah, the thing is, when I reset all the save data, all my game is corrupt at this point. Because I already loaded stuff. If I remove all the save data, I will have to create a proper reset function for all my autoload scripts, which is possible, but yeah, I might have to do that to get the things right. But yeah, Makatap, look, it's in the scene tree class. You have the quit and go back. It's a boolean. If true, the application quits automatically when navigating back using the back button on Android. So you can disable that using false, and then you can handle the go back button using the display server window event go back request. I fixed all that. It even handles going back on most menu. Nice! That's so cool. Congrats, Makadab. That's nice. Okay, so yeah, we might have to just reset everything. So let's check what autoload I have and what autoload I need to reset. So the data will be reset easily. Data info, I'm not sure. Data upgrade, I'm not sure either. Text data handler, we're fine with this one, is fine. Steam handler, this one is fine. Steam input, fine. Gameplay is really bad. Gameplay is bad. Okay, we need to check the data upgrade info and gameplay. Info might not be too bad. Let's check. So ready. Yeah, it's the language. You know what? Let's create init function and put everything into the init function, and then we just call it. I guess it's right. Let's see. Oh no, there's some connect stuff that we don't want to change. Oh, but we do want to call this, okay. Okay. We don't need that. That might do it for the data info. Data upgrade. So let's see for the data upgrade. I don't even know where I use this. Okay, it's fine. Okay, it's fine. Cool. Cool. So next is the gameplay. Oh wait, I need to call data info init. Initialization. Cool. Now the gameplay. Gameplay is way more involved. Ready, process mode always. Reset rules. that should work. That should work, yeah. Let's say that it will work. Okay, let's go back to data, gameplay, init. Save. So now we have the data, the gameplay. Now we need to reset the game. We need to wait for Steam to update its stuff. I'm not sure we need to wait for Steam because we can just reload the current scene and it will not remove. Yeah, let's reload the current scene from the settings. Data, erase data, and title get tree reload current scene. Let's try it. Let's go. Okay, so we can check some stuff. We have here an achievement. If we reset the... Oh, let's check also the save file. Let me get the save file. How is it called? Data.json. Okay, here's the save file, okay? And here's the achievement. Let's test this. Okay. So settings, let's change some settings here to see if it will be updated. Advanced settings, did it? Wait. I have no achievements anymore? Wait, why do I have one here? It says I have one here. But when I go back here, I have no achievement. So I think I don't have achievements. Yeah, no, I don't have achievements. Okay, cool. This worked. Let's see the save file. Okay, the file was changed on disk. As you can see here, let's reload the save file. Empty save file. Okay. Continue. Okay. Cannot access the glossary. Good. That means that it's kind of working. Settings. Every setting is reset. Start game. I cannot click here. I think it's working. Oh yes, I think it's working. That's so cool. Settings. And it reset the game. Let's go! Let's go! It works. Quit game. Yes, game version 0.4, gameplay info, global volume, graphics. That's really cool. It works. yes. Okay, that's nice. No, yeah, no restart needed. I just had to create init like function to to reset my autoloaded scripts. You know, some of my scripts handles a lot of stuff. Like the gameplay script is a big script that handle all the score related stuff, so I just needed to create a function to reset those things. I knew you weren't going to accept shutting the game down. Yeah, but it's... I was almost... If there you know, if there was a way to just restart the game automatically, it would have worked for me, because in that case it's kind of the same experience and it's not something you do often. But closing the game altogether and having to restart it yourself, it's pretty bad, in my opinion. Yeah, that's not the Team Create way. Cool, that's cool. Let's commit that. Let's go. Oh, a lot of stuff changed. Oh yeah, because we changed the local translation stuff, so it export a lot of file. Delete save option. That's so cool. That's something that was missing in the game. I would like to be able to export the save and to import the save too, because I would like that, but it's not really needed, because now you have the cloud save on Steam, and if you really want to go and save the save file, you can find it on your computer and you can copy it, paste it, edit it. So people who really need that, really need to import the save file, to change the save file, I think they will know how to do it, you know? I'm not sure we need import and export in the game that will save a file in the computer. Because even, like, if people cannot find the file, will they know how to... Yeah, I think we don't need that. Okay. It's not like I don't encrypt my save files at all. So if you want to, it's really easy to find it. You've seen the save file, right? Where's my save file? Here it is. It's a really simple JSON file. I also have, maybe I can show you, project user data folder. I have a lot of save files here that I keep if I want to try stuff. For instance, this one. Okay, that's one is corrupted. Cool. Modified. Yes, on this one is from last week. And here you can see, for instance, that you have the I score. You can just change the I score here. 7,000. I can use 999. Same thing here for the hard score. You can change all the fallacies you've found. Stuff like that. It's easy to mess around. Let's copy that save file and restart the game with this save file. Okay. 1. It's impossible to get 1, so this is... I ensured that myself. Okay, next is going to be to, in the glossary, be able to oh wait, did I remove? Yeah, I removed it. Okay, cool. Being able, yeah, to have the real stats here. Right now, we have fake numbers. Let's update that. This is going to be in the fallacy glossary. Yeah, that's it. Stats. Okay, I'm going to name them that way. Stats. Completed quizzes. Okay. Stats. I need more space here. Stats. Completed easy. Quizzes. I will have to translate all of this too. Okay, then paged stats page unlocked. I have to name them to be able to update them. Okay, now we are going to add access as unique names. It's going to make things easier. Nice. Let's go back to the script here, and on the ready function we're going to create a new function, update stats page, and we need to call that first, I guess. And this one is going to be pretty easy. I'm just going to slide this here, add dot text equals, and then we're just going to do that for all of them. Copy that. Okay, let's go. Now we need to actually get those numbers. Those numbers are, some of them are easy to find because they are just some data info. So let's find them. Okay, see, this one was easy. Pages unlocked. Okay, pages unlocked. This one. I need a total for this one. I think I already did that for the Steam under here. Yeah. Known fallacies size -1. Okay, let's steal that function. Known fallacies size -1. Why -1? No, not -1. Size, okay. Oh yeah, -1. Yeah, I remember now. Then plus, and we need the over, like that. So this is to show them how many pages they found and how many are left. Cool. That's going to work. Oh, something's wrong. What's wrong? I don't know. Best combo. The best combo, I think it's just, again, just a data gameplay info that I have here. Max Master combo. That's the one. And the current combo is Master combo. Question scene. I think question scene is also pretty straightforward. It's just the question scene size. Quiz scene size, yeah. I might have to get it over the number of questions. Yeah. The same way I did this. Okay. I think this one should be as a percentage. Maybe the other one too. I'm not even sure. Let's try it that way, and then I'll think about if I want a percentage or not. Let's try that. Does that work? Let's try. So we're using a save file. We might miss some stuff with that save file because the save file was created before I created the gameplay info. So we might have to play some games to, or edit the save file to check if it works. It doesn't work at all. It just crashed. Invalid set index text on base label. Oh, that's strange. Oh, with value of type int. Okay, it's just I forgot to use the string here. That's easy to fix. Really easy. Check. Good. Try again. Oh, the music is over. Let's play that Splatoon. Yeah. That's cool. I don't know why completed quizzes is 0 right now, but that's strange, but why not? That works. Okay, I think having a percentage for pages unlocked and questions seen might be better, or at least the alignment is weird. Let's fix the alignment at least. So how to fix that? Like this. But then we have an issue. This kind of works. I will have to try to see if it works in French. But that might work. We can also do this if we want to. No, that's bad. I don't like for this to be this close of the page like that. Can I change the... Okay, that works. That works really well. Let's see. Let's see that in action. That's really good. I like it. I could add some stats. But it works. Pages unlocked 44 out of 48. Questions seen 7 out of 83. I don't want people to know the exact number of questions, so maybe I will change that to a %. Best combo, current combo, that's cool. Maybe having the questions seen before the best combo, because it's weird like that. Completed quiz, completed easy, expert, custom, that's nice. Maybe having the multi, the number of quizzes completed as a multiplayer mode. That will be cool. So yeah, some stuff to change. Still some stuff to change. We can change some of them real quick right now. So having this before even before, I guess. Yeah. You know what? Let's put that here. Nice, cool. Okay, let's add a new related multiplayer quizzes. Oh no. Multi quizzes. Multiplayer quizzes. I guess. Maybe this stats. Maybe we don't need this stat. No, we don't need this stat. Do we need any other stat? Let's see if we have any other stat that could be interesting. No, that's it. That's all the stats we need. Having the multiplayer stats will be cool. Wait, maybe I have something that we could do. Like having the multiplayer stats on the other page. Oh wait, I have the number of successful questions. Number good answer, number wrong answer. Oh, I think that's cool. Let's use that. Good answer, wrong answers. Okay. Now let's finish this. Okay. And now for the final, we're going to delete all the data and start from scratch and then check the stats. Let's go. So settings, advanced settings, delete everything. I'm really sure. I know there's no going back. Yes, I want to delete the save file. It's a lot of steps. Continue. Continue. Okay. Start game. You know what? I want to check the... Oh, I cannot check the glossary because I restarted the game. Okay, cool. Start game. Easy mode. Let's remove the sound. There's unemployment because young people don't want to work. That's fallacious. Destroying the exception. I see what you mean. That's exactly what an idiot would say, actually. That's fallacious AF. Okay, let's continue. You don't want any cake? Okay, then I won't give you any. No problem with that. Okay. When I debug, I only have 3 questions and only 1 round. But usually there are 3 rounds with 15 questions. Total, 5 questions a round. Let's go back to the menu now. And check the glossary to check the stats. Let's check the stats. Check the stats. Stats. My stats. Pages unlocked -1 over 48. Interesting. Question seen 9 over 83. That's wrong. Best combo 3. Okay, that's right. Completed quiz 1. Completed easy quiz 1. Okay, perfect. Total correct answer 3. Total wrong answer 0. So why is it saying me I seen 9 questions already? It makes no sense to me. Let's check the data. Oh, whoa. Quiz done. Okay, that's wrong. The erasing didn't work as well as I wanted. So this was not updated. The quiz done and quiz seen were not updated as they should have been. Also, there's no known fallacies, which makes no sense because we just did a quiz. Okay, so there are some bugs to fix. So the reset doesn't work perfectly yet. Why? What? Why can I see all those known fallacies? It's not even here. Okay, that's weird. Let's go debug that. Burger mode. Gameplay, okay. Yeah, the known file. Okay, so this was not reset with the. I need to reset quiz done, quiz scene, and known fallacies. I need to reset all of them. I don't know why it's not reset. Okay. What's next? Yeah, let's do that. So it's an issue with the gameplay script. Okay. Now let's close the game and reuse. So let's delete this save file. Let's go back to our backup of the save file from last week. Paste it here, rename it to be able to use it, and check it. Load. Yeah. Okay. Let's see if it works now. Settings, advanced settings, delete. Okay. I don't like that this is, that's bad. I'll need to fix that. Okay. Let's start a game, easy mode. Okay. Back to menu. Okay, the cursor does weird things. I'll need to fix that. Let's go check the stats now. Okay, that's better. That's better already. The book is so cool. Honestly, the book is so cool. It looks like a real book. Guilt by association. I want to show more of that to you. Like this, we are a game developer, you know, and sometimes all the art and creation and design part is lost a bit, and we focus on development, code and stuff like that. But this, writing all the definitions, that took a long time. It was a big part. It's not really marketable. You cannot share that you wrote that. Like, it's, people are used, like a lot of people would ask ChatGPT for this kind of stuff and will get really bad results. So people are losing the value a bit of that kind of stuff. But I want to showcase a bit this stuff because I'm pretty happy about the result. So guilt by association. A person will point out connections you may have with groups or people perceived negatively. The mere mention of these connections gives the impression that you are close to these groups or individuals. Example, you've agreed with a reactionary on this point, so you must be a reactionary yourself. This is a false equivalency paired with an appeal to spite. Don't try to deny the connections if they are real. Focus on the fact that from these connections, their conclusions do not follow. That's cool. And you have like 50 definitions like that. So here are the stats. Questions in 3, yeah, that's right. Pages unlocked 2, that's right. Best combo 3, current combo 3, total correct answer 3. Yeah, everything's right. The stats are working. That's cool. Yeah, that's massive amount of work to write all that. Oh yeah. Thanks, Makatap. I like that you suggest how to combat them. Yeah, I tried to make it, or it was hard because you cannot find resources like that online easily. Most of the resources that you can find on rhetorical fallacies are high level, thesis stuff, you know, like people trying to, like linguists trying to explain that. I wanted to have explanations that are straight to the point, easy to understand, maybe sometimes with example and a way to combat them, yeah, each time. So for instance, appeal to authority. Okay, this one's funny. Like the great Bernard da Silva said, I have reservations about quoting academics to support my arguments. So, but Bernard da Silva doesn't exist at all. So I'm using an appeal to authority, and also I'm using an appeal to authority on the get-go. Like first thing first, I'm quoting someone to explain the point. So I find this one really funny. Like the first line is, that's something Bernard da Silva the Great said. He said, I have reservations about quoting academics to support my arguments. Citing or mentioning people, no matter how famous or intelligent they are, does not make an argument valid. Beware of quotes or famous names that people throw at you. Ignore them as much as possible and focus on the merits of what's being said. Who said it or who agrees does not matter. Tell me why this is true. You have so much room for art when you don't use AI for these definitions. Yeah, right. Like I had, okay, one of them is what? One of the, wait, I'm going to reset the save so that we can look at it. The circular reasoning one is so funny. Glossary. Some people, okay, one thing I'm so proud of, some beta testers told me they run the game sometimes just to look at the glossary to find a definition. Like someone, they read something online and they're like, oh, what was this fallacy? And then they open the game to check the glossary. That's so cool. Yeah, circular reasoning. A circular argument is a circular argument. That's the page for the circular reasoning. I'm not going to change it. That's going to the final build of the game. I'm not explaining it at all. That's so cool. It's as simple as that and just as stupid. I hope most people will understand what's happening here. If they don't, I cannot help them, I guess. But yeah, most of them are. I don't do that kind of stuff. I'm just explaining what's happening. I need to change some stuff because I wrote that in French first and then translated it with the help from someone. The thing is, I need to go back and read them because in English, some words are used to translate French words that are not words you would use in English. Like interlocutor exists in English. If you say that in French, it's interlocuteur. Most people will use that word. In English, I never heard anyone say interlocutor, ever, even if it's a real word. So yeah, some translation miss the tone a bit. So here, for instance, I want to change that for your speaking partner or something like that. I remember pointing that one out. Never heard it in my life, and I am a master program. I am in a master program. Oh yeah, okay, yeah. So I need to go through all of them and change the tone in English to get the tone you will have in French, in my French original text. I like that there's just lie. Like lie is one of the fallacies. Oh, and here, okay, that's cool. So I use this game to share some messages I'm trying to share. A lot of questions have messages in them. For instance, some people don't know that alcohol, when you drink alcohol, you increase your chances of having a cancer. A lot of people don't even know that. People think it's just like cigarettes and stuff like that. So one of the question is each glass of alcohol increase your chances of having a cancer, and some people say that is fallacious because they don't know it's true. Then they see no, that was valid. So that's a way to, because the valid questions are boring in the game. So if I don't do that kind of stuff, the valid questions are just like, oh, the desk is standing on the ground or stuff like that. And here I try to share something because a lie, the definition for a lie is they're not telling the truth. But a lot of people don't think that not saying something of importance to someone is not a lie. Like, for instance, if someone tells you something really important and you hide that information to someone else, if they ask to you questions about this information, and then you don't, you lie, then it's a lie. But a lot of people don't know that if you don't tell them, even if they don't ask this question, if you don't tell them if it's an important information for them, this is also a lie. And a lot of people will tell themselves, oh, I'm not lying because you never asked, you know. So that's why I added in the definition for lie. By the way, if someone voluntarily decides not to share a piece of information with you which could have an impact on the course of things, that is also a lie, even if they haven't said anything explicitly false. That's called a lie by omission. So I'm glad I'm adding that kind of stuff in the game. Yeah, so that's working. Deleting the save and checking the stats. I'm going to commit that. Let's go. Stats, actual stats shown. Actual stats shown in on stats page. I guess I also fixed. I should have fixed this. Okay, I'm going to do 2 commits, one for the fix. Yeah. I don't want to have a commit with both the fix and the stats. Actual stats shown on stats page. Boom. Okay. Oh, that's so cool. Maybe I can show you before we leave the Steam page for the game in Steam Big Picture. Like this is the actual, like actually Steam running right now, and I already have a Steam page with all the visuals and all, and I want to show you how it looks like because it's really cool. So if you go to the library, I don't use Steam a lot, so I only have 2 games on Steam. But yeah, you can see, let's go back to the library. Here, fallacy quiz. Can we zoom or stuff like that? You click on it, you can see it here. Then you have the achievements. Then you can see your friends. Community stuff. There's no community content yet. Game info. I think it's really good looking. The Steam Big Picture, I like the way it looks. Here I have a development branch to try things out. Anyways, I'm really happy with. Oh yeah, I did not tell that to you, but it supports cloud saves. Keep game saves in the Steam Cloud for Fallacy Quiz. And it's working, so we have cloud saves too. We're getting there. I feel like we're really close to the release now. My goal was September. It might be a bit short for September because I still have to send the game, a game build to Steam, to Valve, for them to check it out. Hey, thanks for following Twitch Plays Everything. But yeah, they have to check the games out. So the game out, and I don't know how long it takes. But maybe the beginning of October. So that's cool. That's cool. Yeah, I'm going to end the stream there. Thank you very much for watching today. I think we did great stuff. There's the deleting the save. That's cool. We also made What did we made? Oh, a quit button on the title screen. That's cool too. Let me check my. Oh yeah, I have some bugs to fix. I have some big bugs to fix with the Steam input stuff and achievements. And after this, the code for the game is done. I'm still working on adding questions to the game, and then the game will be ready. When the list of things you have to do is you can count them on your fingers, it feels great. So have a nice weekend, everyone. Thank you for watching. We'll have a good one. Thank for the feedback. Yeah, thank you for watching Macatap, and good luck on your own game. Bye, everyone.